What's going on, guys? Spencer Clays here, and today I'm going to take you guys start to finish of running Facebook ad, messaging the client, and then doing the job. So this was a $300 job that we did last week. Yesterday I actually did two of these, so it took me about 4 hours, made $600 because these are $300. It takes about an hour and a half, 2 hours to do each job. So you can make some serious money. Like this is the $600 cash I made yesterday. So keep this process in mind when you're running ads. You don't got to get too crazy. It doesn't need to be anything fancy. So I'm going to show you exactly kind of the whole process, like soup to nuts. Because I know I've talked a lot before about, running Facebook ads and then also doing the job. So I want to combine both of those today and kind of show you the whole process. So with that being said, I'm going to dive into the computer and I'm going to pull these up on the screen. So when we talk about marketing is really just putting a message to a market. It's putting our offer in front of a customer. So it's not really that complicated. As I said before, you could use Facebook ads, you could use Google ads, you could use a billboard in the fucking sky. It doesn't really matter. So from here, this is the ad that I've been running. It's, end of winter roof and gutter special, only 5 to 7 cleaning spots left. So someone's going to be scrolling on their For You page or on their page on Facebook or Instagram. And this is going to pop up and the video is going to play. It's me cleaning a roof. This is an example of one ad that I'm running. I blurred out my name because, I don't care if you guys look at my page. I just don't want hundreds of people to look at it because then it kind of screws up my dynamics. So then it shows the ad to other people. You want to that's another thing that a lot of people do with their Facebook page is they'll friend request or they'll have all their friends and family like their page, which you don't want to do that. You want your Facebook page to be pretty natural. I don't care if there's 0 likes. I'd rather have 10 really targeted likes of customers versus hundreds of likes from people that don't match our demographic. So keep that in mind. So this is what someone's going to see as we look at the ad itself, kind of some of the copy, you guys can screenshot this, pause the video if you want to read this whole thing. So I'm kind of taking them through the whole process. This is the starter $2.99 offer that I've run many times, and I've just kind of taken them through the whole process. Hand cleaning of this, downspout cleaning, anti-moss powder treatment, walkway, driveway cleanup, all that stuff. So I take them from start to finish, so they can picture exactly what's going to happen. So then I put my phone number down there as well. So I'm going to show you guys the stats of this ad. This one got me about $9 cost per message, which is pretty good. Pretty happy with that. That being said, I've talked to some people in the past too. They're like, oh, I was getting $15 cost per message. And so I shut it off because that's what you said. And I was like, okay, well, you got to really look at the numbers. You got to pay attention to how much you're spending per day and how much you're making. So right now I'm spending $20 a day on ads. And $9 cost per message gets me about 2 leads per day. For me, that keeps me pretty darn busy because I have a very high conversion rate. I convert probably 1 out of 2, 1 out of 3 messages that comes in. So for me, when I spend $20 a day, that gives me at least 1 to 2 jobs per day. If I want to do 3 jobs, I probably cranked it up to $30. But still, I spent $140 in the last week. Made over $2,000 this week. Even though it's winter, we're only doing 1 or 2 jobs a day. Like I said, I did 2 yesterday, but still pretty darn good money. So keep an eye on your metrics. Really focus on, don't worry too much about the cost per message because I've had some campaigns where I was getting $5 cost per message, but the leads were shit. I wasn't converting any of them, and so I turned the campaign off. Whereas I've had certain campaigns where was getting $15 CPM, but I was getting a lot of high quality clients, some $500, $700 jobs. So if you get one upsell, that's the thing. The crazy profitability of Facebook ads is if you get one upsell, a $700 job, that pays for your entire ads for the month. Because if you're spending $10 a day, that's only $300 per month on Facebook ads. $20 is $600 for the whole month. So really that pays for itself with just one big job like that. Now let's dive into exactly what the customer sees. So when they see that, they click message, they click, talk to us. And then here's what happens. It says, hi, Billy, please let us know how we can help you. She says, I live in here. I have 2 stories, water level, how much? And so I said, hey, is there moss or just need the standard roof and gutter cleaning? A little moss. It's been about 6 months since cleaning. Want it cleaned and moss product put down. I said, gotcha. Yeah, I can definitely do that. So if you just want the roof and moss treated and gutters, typically that falls under the $2.99 special. She says, and roof cleaned off. And so roof cleaning, moss off, moss treatment, all that sort of stuff. Said, okay, gotcha. I might be able to do this Friday if that works for you. And then she replied to the ad again for some reason. So this Friday should work. Can you text me an hour out so I can make sure I'm home? And I said, for sure, yeah, I'll let you know when I'm heading over. Thumbs up. boom. And then right after that, I messaged her for her address and we got the job done. So this is pretty standard how we do the job. So I've seen people, they like to call their client, but I like to just keep it in Facebook Messenger. I don't want to complicate things. I want people feel comfortable with Facebook. They feel comfortable messaging from there. It gives them a lot of power, because they don't have to message you back. But I've found that it's best when the customer has the power, because if you have a lot of leads, like, you don't really care. I don't really care if someone does message me back or not. That's what getting good at marketing is, when you have a ton of leads and people can sense that maybe you're not messaging back super quick. But that's not always a bad thing. If you are busy, people can kind of sense that. So anyways, Facebook is just fine. As you can see, it literally took like 3 or 4 back and forth messages. So these are really high quality leads. They're not tire kickers. Sometimes you do get those. Sometimes people will message you, can you help me? Or what are your hours? And then they'll never message you again. But vaya con Dios, like, it doesn't really matter. So with that being said, guys, let's dive into the job. I'm going to kind of go through that whole process again, so you guys see how you're making $100, $200 per hour just by doing simple jobs like this. You can do as many jobs a day as you want, as long as you have the lead flow and the time per day. Like, if you're doing these in an hour, 2 hours, I've done like 4 jobs in a day. You make $1,000 if you want to. Or if you're doing higher quality jobs, like $500, you do 2 of those a day. So really up to you. The money is out there. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's get after it. All right. So first things first, we're going to get both our ladders up there. There's a little lower story and an upper story. But overall, as you guys are going to see, this roof is not steep at all. All we got is our leaf blower and our brush. You can see there's just a little bit of needles up there. On the other side, there's a little bit of moss, but really nothing too crazy. I explained to her the whole process. We're going to put the moss treatment powder on, and there's just a little bit of green, so the moss treatment powder is going to do just fine. Here, we're just blowing everything off. Going to blow everything off down below, and you can see it's kind of the woods here. So I'm going to show you guys cleaning up at the end. For some reason, a lot of people always wonder, like, do you clean up? Do you clean up? Yeah, definitely clean up. Make sure the place looks better than when you found it. And, as you see, I clean out gutters with the leaf blower most often. These ones are a little wet, so you definitely want to be careful. I think I did end up spraying down the windows, because sometimes, like, if you make a mess, if there's a little bit of splatter, definitely make sure you clean up. Get the hose out. Definitely do your best to not make a mess. If it is wet, be careful. Sometimes I'll clean them out by hand, but over here it was kind of a little steeper on that spot, so I just used the blower. Here, dual wielding the brush and the blower. Sometimes it just takes a little bit of encouragement with the brush. As I've shown before, you want to be super gentle with the brush. You don't want to go crazy, but like, as you can see, it just blows right off once you kind of just knock it loose with the brush. And there's a little bit of snow on the other side, so we're going to use the brush as that, but we ended up using a hose to get most of it off as well. A couple things about doing the jobs is just, the quicker you can do it, the better. Like, that's when I say, like, how much you can make per hour, is because I'm doing it quickly. But for some reason, people always think of like, oh, you should just take longer then, because that's how much you're making per hour. If you're making $100, you should take longer. It's like, no, the reason we're making it so much per hour is because we're doing it fast. And then people are like, okay, well, then you're overcharging people. It's like, no, I can do it in an hour. I can do this in an hour and a half because I've done this so many times. A lot of people have treated and cleaned their own roofs before. So when they call me, when they see $299, they're like, very blatantly, like, they do not want to do it themselves. So they are very willing, very eager to give me the money because they don't want to get up on the roof. And plus, it would probably take them 3 times longer to clean this roof and do the gutters. If anything goes wrong, they don't really know how to fix it. I know how to do everything. I've done this hundreds of times. So people are always just paying for convenience. That is what people want. That's what we're giving to them. So we get good at one thing, we give them the convenience so they don't have to worry about it. So keep that in mind when you're charging. You need to be charging very good prices because you are the expert. You're the person that is going to make their life more convenient when they come to you. And that's the thing about marketing. We're not necessarily cold calling or knocking doors and like harassing people like, hey, you need to hire us. No, we're putting an ad out. People are coming to us. So there's a little bit of a shift in the power dynamic. So it's really awesome. As you can see, this roof looks great. Really didn't take long at all. And made $300 cash for, hour and a half of work. And yesterday, I did 2 of these for, 4 hours. Here we're cleaning up. Make sure, always it looks better when you leave than when you showed up. So do a great job. And then people are going to refer you. People are going to call you back. People are going to leave good reviews. You're going to be able to do as many jobs as a day as you want when you have the lead flow coming in. So this is really the entire process. So I hope you guys learned something. All right, we're all done. Easy, $300. Did about an hour and a half, so nothing too crazy. But yeah, get after it, make the money. Let's go.
Thanks for tuning in to the Spencer Clay Show. That's all for now. See you in the next episode. Peace.